Greetings, magical mavens, and happy spring equinox. Welcome to the fourth chapter in the story of my seasonal end table. If you're new here, hi, I'm Afira, an artist and seasonal witch, and for the past 6 months now, I've been taking you along with me as I give my old 8-sided end table a seasonal makeover. In the first installment back at the autumn equinox, you got to watch me redesign the table itself to make it look like real wood before I then painted a detailed scene representing the magic of early autumn. The second video was the painting of the Halloween panel, which was really fun. And then around the winter solstice, you got a bit of a 2-for-1 when I painted the 2 panels on the door of the cabinet to represent the winter solstice and Imbolc season, together covering both early and late winter. What was fun about that part of the project is that since it already had these elaborate frames within frames, I decided to depict mostly a celestial theme that kind of ties this piece of furniture in with the greater whimsy goth, as the kids say, aesthetic that I have in the rest of my home. But since those frames didn't allow for a lot of space, I just did a simplified design featuring the sun, moon, stars, and snowflakes. But I didn't really get to have fun painting a whole magical winter landscape, which was something I was kind of really looking forward to when I first got the idea for this project. And since snow is such a real part of my experience here in upstate New York, I felt it was necessary to pay homage to it in some way on this piece. And then it occurred to me that the spring equinox panel was actually the perfect opportunity for that. Despite the popularity of Ostara aesthetic with all its green grass, flowers, and baby chicks everywhere, in my neck of the woods, March 21st is a total wild card in terms of weather. Some years, there's little or no snow in sight, with some grass and even snowdrops popping up. And some years, it's literally a complete whiteout with feet of snow still covering the ground and not a bloom in sight. And sometimes it's kind of a mix of both, where it's like a super warm day right on Ostara, but that actually means that like tons of permafrost and glaciers are actively melting, and you get to watch that happening in real time. And since Beltane season is more so the appropriate time, for me at least, to incorporate all of those super springy vibes, I decided to save all of that for the next panel and use this Ostara panel to depict winter gradually transitioning into spring. And I love how it turned out. So whether you're already beginning to see signs of spring where you live this Ostara, or if you're still experiencing the slow transition out of winter, or if you're like us some years and it's just all happening at once, I invite you to enjoy this relaxing video as you get to watch a winter wonderland unfurl to evolve into early spring. Enjoy!